Hello everyone, in this today's video lecture, we are going to learn about the solved examples. In the previous video lecture, we have learned the basic concept of understanding quadrilateral. Now we'll see some examples here. So the first example is given like this. Find the value of x into the given figure. The figure is given to you and some angles are given and we have to find out the value of x. So let's start the solution. So the given figure is a pentagon as the five sides are looking here. Okay. So as the pentagon it is, obviously the sides will be 5. So the n value will get as 5. If you know the total interior angle of this pentagon, then it is okay. But if you don't know, then you can solve with the help of this angle sum property. That is, sum of interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180. That is, we have to put the value of n is equal to 5. So n minus 2 into 180, that is 5 minus 2 into 180. So 3 into 180. So total you will get as 540 degree. Now this 540 will be the total interior angle of this given figure. Okay. So in the figure we will see now the given values, the addition of these given values we will equate with the 540 there. Okay. So what is given values are there? Here see, I will written here directly 100 plus 90 plus 90 plus 160 plus x. Now you will see that it is right angle sign is looking here. So that's why it is have to be considered as 90 degree there. Okay. So the total you will get as 440 plus x equal to 540. So what we will do there? We will take this to that side. So it is here in the addition, it will become their subtraction. So x equal to 100 degree we will get. Okay. So what we get, the answer is that x equal to 100 degree. Now the second figure. Okay. Second figure is given as a triangle and its exterior angle has shown here. Okay. So one is given as 150 degree, another is given as 160 degree, and one we have to find out as x. Now it is very simple solution is there. You know that any kind of polygon is there, the total of sum of the exterior angle is always equal to 360 degree there, right? So this addition of this all we will equate to the 360. So 150 plus 160 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. So if you add this, we will get 310 plus x is equal to 360 degree. So x equal to, it will be go that side as we are doing always, 360 minus 310. So x equal to 50 degree. This is your solution. The third figure. Okay. So now just see, the given figure is looking as hexagon. Okay. So first we will find out the total sum of this. If you know, then it is okay. But as we have done in the previous example, same here. Sides equal to n equal to 6 as it is looking hexagon. So sum of interior angle what will become, it is n equal to 6 we will put here. So 6 minus 2 into 180 is equal to 4 into 180 is equal to 720 degree. So total we will get as 720 degree. Now if you observe this carefully, then you will understand that the all sides and angles are equal there, right? So it means what? It is a regular hexagon there, correct? So every angle will be equally yours. So that's why x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x means what it is there? All 6 angles are taken here. Okay. So as it is regular, every angle will be equal there, is equal to 720. So addition of this all will become as 6x equal to 720. So x equal to what will be? It is in the multiplication. So it will be go that side. So 720 divided by 6, you will get as x equal to 120 degree. Now come to the next question. Okay. The given figure is quadrilateral is given there. So what will be the given figure is given as quadrilateral. So what will be it is, you know that quadrilateral total sum is always 360 degree. So that's why I did not take. I had taken directly the 360 I equated here. Okay. So now what we'll do, one is given as 70 degree plus another given as 60 degree plus another given as 90 degree. How it is? Here see, this exterior angle is given as 90 degree. So that's why obviously it will be also come as 90 degree, because why? These both are in the linear pair, and you know all the linear pair is always equal to 180 degree. So one is 90 degree shown. So obviously another will become as 90 degree. So that's why I had taken directly the 90 degree here. So x plus 70 plus 60 plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. So if we add this all, what we will get? 220. So x plus 220 degree is equal to 360. We require the value of x. So 220 will be go that side. Here it is in the addition, it will become subtraction. So x equal to 360 minus 220, you will get the answer as x equal to 140 degree there. Now we will take one little different example. Okay, find the values of x, y and z in the given figure. If you observe the figure, then you will understand x, y and z. These three exterior angles are given that we have to find out. But to find out this x, y and z, we have to find out the one interior angle also there. Okay, so let's start the solution. As the given polygon is a triangle, so you know that the total interior sum of the triangle is always equal to 180 degree there. Okay, so but in this three angles we required. So one is given 90 degree, another is given 30 degree, and next we have to be find out. So let that unknown, means this one, let this unknown interior angle be m. So means this will take as a m there. So if you taken that m, so we'll find out that. So as the interior angle total is equal to 180 degree, we will equate. So 30 degree plus 90 degree plus this m that we have let here is equal to 180 degree. So 120 plus m is equal to 180. So m equal to, you will get as 180 minus 120. It was here addition, it will become subtraction. So m equal to 60 degree we will get. We will give the name as 1 here, equation 1. Why? We need it later in this example. So we will give the equation 1. We got now the m is equal to 60 degree. That is your one interior angle now. Now we will find out the value of x, y and z. Okay. So what we will do here, see. If you observe, these two angles are in the linear pair. Linear pair, you know that. Okay. One straight line and one transversal, it is there. So the addition of two linear pair angles is always equal to 180 degree there. Okay. So that we will take here. So first we have to find out the value of x. So what will be it is? Here it is, value of x. So it is 90 plus x equal to 180. Why 180? Because this angle and this angle both are in the linear pair. So that's why it is addition will be over 180. So what will happen? X equal to 180 minus 90. X equal to, you will get as 90 degree. Second we will take as a y. So this angle we already have let as a m there. So what will it is then? M plus y equal to 180. As like the same, these are also in the linear pair. Okay. So from the equation 1, we will understand the value of m we got. We will put here. So 60 plus y equal to 180. So y equal to 180 minus 60. So y equal to 120 degree. So this we got as a 120 degree. As the first, this two we have solved. Next also we will do the same. So this plus this is equal to 180. So 30 plus z is equal to 180 degree. Because both are in the linear pair. So z equal to 180 minus 30. So z equal to, you will get as the answer as 150 degree. So like this you will get as the answers x, y and z. These are the some examples which are based on the first part.